Good morning guys, and you join me on another sunny day in Shrewsbury, and I'm not alone. Can you guess who's behind me? Has anybody seen that gentleman before? Let me introduce you. Dave Outdoors.
Good morning everybody.
This is another YouTuber from Shropshire, and he runs a YouTube channel called Dave Outdoors, and I'll leave a link in the description of this video. My apologies for being out of breath. Dave's taken me off the beaten track on this one to try and get to the top of Haughmond Hill, which I've done a video so far at Haughmond a few weeks back now for you guys to go and check out in the midst of lockdown. But I saw Dave doing some of his little journeys around Shropshire on YouTube in some of the Shropshire groups that we share our videos on.
Absolutely, yeah.
And I thought this is a great guy to do a collaboration with. A lot of you people that watch this channel and have subscribed really enjoy the outdoor journeys that I do, and a lot of the landscape of Shropshire and beyond. So I thought, why not get hold of Dave and do a collaboration? So this is officially my second collaboration on this channel. I'm very proud to be doing it with Dave Outdoors. Cool. And we've come through the brush. Two men in the outback. I'm only joking, we're just at the viewpoint of Haughmond Hill. But I'll just show you head.
And there we go. So we've just come up the backside. That sounds wrong. We've come up the...
Two men in the woodland.
I was going to say we've come up the wrong entrance, but that again sounds wrong. We've come up a different path to what we normally come up. So it's quite different to how we normally do it. But there it is. That is our viewpoint. And I'll tell you what, let's get up there and show you some views.
Let's do it. And here we are at the viewpoint at last. Didn't take us long.
No.
Probably what, 15, 20 minutes?
20 minutes, I'd say, yeah. Not long
of outback walking.
Outback, yeah.
But I'll just show you head, guys. This is absolutely fantastic. Do you know what? No matter how many times I come up here or how long I've lived in Shrewsbury for, getting to this point never, ever, ever gets old. And I'll just show you guys now.
How you doing? All right, pal?
Nice. Really good view. You see that hill over there with the round bit on it?
Oh yeah.
Brownlow Callow, that's called. It's over up towards Minsterley.
I've camped up the top of there, bunch of trees.
Yeah, that's it, that's it. The view is absolutely unbelievable.
Yeah.
Back this way and down into Wales as well. Absolutely amazing view.
It's a really lovely place to be, isn't it?
It's lovely. And I was saying to the wife that we were up here the other day, I said, okay, sometimes you fly over this because they come up this way, Alcester and then into Liverpool or Manchester. But you don't get to see it because it's over 500 miles an hour and it's gone. You look at that and then it's gone. So, but you know, here you can just stop and look. It's brilliant.
It is fantastic. I'll just show you head, guys. It's just unbelievable.
It's a beautiful county, Shropshire.
Very nice.
Country, I reckon.
It is, yeah. I totally agree.
Without a doubt.
But if you want to see some different parts of it, we both have YouTube channels that we do a lot around the Shropshire Hills and
Really?
around Shropshire.
Yeah.
What's it called?
Go on,
No, you go first. Courtesy.
Mine's quite simple. Mine's Dave Outdoors.
Yeah.
And mine's Brendan James Vlog. Cheers, Mike. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Take care now.
What a nice little interaction that was.
Absolutely.
And I think, seeing as Dave's going for his time lapse, I think I might just follow suit and do the first time lapse on this camera as well. I'll see you in a sec. Okay guys, time to say goodbye to the viewpoint of Haughmond Hill. How'd you feel, Dave?
Epic. Yeah, it's a lovely view.
Yeah.
Spectacular.
Beautiful weather as well.
Stunning
Absolutely
weather.
fantastic.
Absolutely, yeah.
I don't know if you find it, but whenever I press record on the camera, the sun comes out. Is it the opposite for you?
It's normally rain for me.
Okay, fair enough. Yin and yang, the balance of life. All right, guys, we're going to crack on with the rest of this walk. So when you say trig point, what's it used for, Dave?
To mark the highest spot of Haughmond Hill.
So this is actually the highest spot?
Yeah, normally trig points are fitted to the highest point of a summit.
Okay.
You will find there's a code on them as well, and there is a Facebook group that you can join, and you just take pictures about or take pictures of every trig point you've been to, and you just mark off the codes.
So this seemingly unanimous object?
Yeah, doesn't look much. But
yeah, like literally.
Majority of the time they represent the highest point of a hill.
Yeah. Wow. Okay. Learn something new every day, guys. When I came up here last, I literally just thought, what is that? That's a block of concrete. Why is that here?
That's it. Yeah. Now you know what I mean. Yeah.
Good to have you with me. Let's crack on. So just on this outback walk with Dave, I've come across two whistles hanging on a tree branch, which is really strange. It's more akin to a randonautica adventure than an outdoors adventure. But yeah, quite a weird one, that. Who would leave 2 whistles leaving on a branch? What do you think, Dave? Whistles on a branch?
That's a little bit odd, isn't it? That is.
Yeah, it is a bit strange. Maybe you guys that are more educated about witchcraft and the paranormal could leave us a comment below. Do you think it's got a supernatural source? No.
Could have. Could have maybe, couldn't it?
Could have maybe. All right then, everybody, we have come to the end of the road. That sounds like a Boys to Men song, that.
It does a little bit.
It's been a good walk, mate.
It's been great. It really has. Been lucky with the weather as well.
We certainly have. Yeah, hopefully you guys have seen some of the beautiful shots we've been able to capture in this little walk of ours, going from the Amazon outback to the viewpoint and then down to the car park.
Absolutely, yeah.
It's been a round trip of Haughmond Hill and Shrewsbury. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Go and check out Dave's channel in the description, Dave Outdoors, and you'll see plenty more of us in the future, and who knows where we'll be next. See you later, guys.
See you over on the channel.